Yes, hello kids, and today first of all we are going to take the dictation. As I have said that आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, तो सबसे पहले एक छोटी सी क्लास टेस्ट लेने वाले हूँ मैं सबकी. So yes, get ready for the class test. So let us write the class test first of all, as I have said. So yes, what you have to do is you have to write whether the pictures, where is the position of the pictures here, and you have to write the correct answer, that is circle on or under. Okay, so this is the question. So the first picture is here. I am going to draw, and this is a flower, and on the flower there is a honeybee. So you have to write the position here on or under. Then second one. Second is you can see a mushroom, and there is a caterpillar which is here. So you have to write the position of caterpillar, that is whether it is on or under. Then third one is there is a bed, the position of a bed, and here you can see a dog. So what is the position of the dog that you have to write? Yes, what is the position of the dog you have to write? This is the position of a bird you have to find. What is the position of a bird? This is an umbrella, and here also you have to write on and under. Find out and write. And yes, last is this is the position of a leaf, and you can see a ant on the leaf. So you have to also write position over here also. So in this way you are going to write, and let me tell you the correct answer. As here we can see the ant is, honeybee is on, so we are going to circle on. Then here you can see the mushroom, and just it is under, so here we are going to circle the under. Here we can see the dog is under, so here also we are going to write under. Fourth one is, it is also under, and fifth is on. So in this way we are going to conduct the class test, and now at the same time we are going to do the page number 6666, which are all tricky words. So here first of all, this is CUFF cuff. So yes, we are going to speak and write also. CUFF cuff. CUFF cuff. CUFF cuff. So cuff is something we can say when we see the father is wearing a shirt. So there is a cuff which you can see that he is tying his button also over here. So that is known as CUFF cuff. Then you can see HUFF huff. You can see this boy. This boy is having cold and cough. So many times he may huff also. Huff यानी खांसना. ठीक है? That is known as. And puff. We have seen many animals, yes, taking out different types of sounds. So which is known as puff. So yes, PUFF puff we will say. Then this is a bull. Cow and bull we say. Cow हमारी माता. Okay, cow is known as our mother. Cow को हम पूछते भी हैं. And this is bull. So BULL bull. BULL bull. This is BULL bull. FULL full. FULL full. Full यानी पूरा. You can see this jar is full. And this is PULL pull. Pull यानी खींचना. Okay. So this is PULL pull. Now you can see over here. This is a bunk bed. एक के ऊपर एक है. तो BUNK bunk. So this is bunk bed. Okay. Bed है जो bunk है. एक के ऊपर एक है. Then you can see TRUNK trunk. Trunk यानी ये संदूक जिसको बोलते हैं. This is known as trunk. And JUNK junk. Junk यानी जो भी सारा कचरा यहाँ भरा पड़ा है उसको बोलते हैं हम junk. Now you can see BRUSH brush. This is a painting brush. So this is known as brush. ये है FLUSH flush. This is a flush. And last you can see is BLUSH blush. Blush करना यानी चमकना. किसी के चेहरे पे चमक होती है when he or she is beautifully dressed. So this is BLUSH blush. So these types of words are given in the book. You have to practice it nicely. And yes, write the page 66 for some 5 times words and practice well in the notebook also. Till the time, tata and bye bye.